Enjoy one-level living in this lovely condominium in River Run, a quiet development in Cumberland that is ideal for walking and biking. Step inside as a cathedral ceiling expands over the main living areas, including the dining area and spacious living room with hardwood floors. The bright eat-in kitchen features stainless steel appliances, ivory cabinetry, and granite counters and island. Off the kitchen is a spacious laundry closet and a pantry. A glass slider leads out to the deck where you can barbecue or simply enjoy the night air. Back inside is the large master suite with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath with a dual sink, granite-topped vanity, and double wide shower. You and your guests can enjoy ample privacy as the second generous bedroom sits on the other end of the home by another full bath with a tile floor. Walk around this tranquil neighborhood, the Blackstone River Bikeway, or the trails that surround the monastery, home of the Cumberland Town Library. Visit one of the golf courses in the area, like Lincoln Country Club, or shop and catch a movie at nearby Lincoln Mall. Multiple schools are close by, including both Cumberland High School and Middle School. Commute to Boston or Providence using the South Attleboro train station or convenient highway and visit acclaimed restaurants and entertainment opportunities. For more information, please visit the property website or call Debbie Smith at area code 401-368-2354.